I-record ko madimlang gatangan kita I need to record, okay. Dito kami sarado, guys. Be careful, Be careful what you telling me, okay? Ayan. Asan ba? Ayun. Ayun, Ayun. Paano ba to? Ayun. Ano na? Bibilin mo ba? Ayun, Ayan yun. Yan, harado. Automatic movement ko na. So, you want me to try now? Sige na, 2,000, $2,000. 2,250. 2,000.
1,005.
You want me to try? Ayan, rado. May Rolex na ako, guys. Ayan, Gusto niya yun, O kaya this one, ruby.
Yeah.
This one. I want this. This one, discount. Same. The big one is the one is. Mag-stroll lang kami ni Kuya mo, guys.
It's okay. For this rate, never mind.
Stroll lang, guys. Hindi ka kasali, ano ka ba? Come. The Mustafa Center down there. Dito kami sa gilid-gilid kung saan kami mapunta, guys. Saritas ay Siratas pala. Kung saan-saan kami mapunta, guys. Bahala na si Batman. Saan ka patungo? Ayan, Centrum Square. Ay, mamemorize ko. Dalan ko gawi dun. Linaw, diba? Yeah? Okay. Bahala na, guys, kung saan kami mapunta. Sa susunod na pwede na tayo tumawid. This one, pwede. Okay, come. Yeah, this side? Oh, okay. Para Park Hospital. Dito kami sa may iskinita. Dami yung mga nakaupo-upo dyan. Galing sa mga Mustafa yan. Saan ba yun? Turn right. Okay. Actually, umikot lang tayo. Ay, yung Mustafa, oh. Yeah. Mampus, cow. Why you need to take one round? Aray ko. Ah. Behind that hospital, right? No? Yeah, behind that hospital. Lucky not IMH. So, saan na kami napadpad, guys? MRT para Park Station. Ayan na. Saan ba yun? Saan man ba? This one? Dilim ah. Saan? Still very far? Farther there? No more ready eh. I don't know. Oh. Okay. Kadilim kasi, hindi ko na makita. Okay, come. Yan. Okay, bye. See you later again. Bye. Hanap kami ng ano guys. Ay, Sky and Dwayne. Ayan ah. Diba? Cute-cute kay Sky and Dwayne. Mga bata-bata. Diba? Ayan wala namang maliit eh. Bibili ko sana si Sky. Ata sana ito maliit. Bilang ka ni Kasugit sa kanya. Pangalan ka ni Nauma. Kay Kaso. Cheap for tempo eh. Red is I got it. Meron na si Kasumi. Si para yung maliliit na mga batuta. Mga kahit. Alam no, diba? Andito ka na naman guys. Naghahanap na naman ng mabibili at mambibiktim ako na naman siya. Tignan natin yung Rado. 2,000 plus yun eh.
Kilala ako, mo talaga.
$2,000. Di pagkasali ito. Yeah. 1,008. Let me might see this one. Yeah. You know, this one, they said 18K. Yeah, Titan. They said it's 18K yan. 18K gold. What's the price, $6,100. 8,000. Let's see yung small one, Ayun, small one. Skechers. Ang gusto. Saan yung fossil? Fossil. Wala na yung dati kong watch. Yung kauna-unahan kong watchy. Wala na silang stock. Ano ba? Ang takal maatan niya. I-record ko Madimlang gatangan kita I need to record, okay? Dito kami sarado, guys. Be careful, Be careful what you're telling me, okay? Ayan. Asan ba? Ayun. Ayun, Ayun. Paano ba to? Ayun. Ano na? Bibilin mo ba? Ayun, Ayan yun. Yan, Rado. Automatic movement ko na. So, you want me to try now? Sige na, 2,000, $2,000. 2,250. 2,000.
2,005.
You want me to try? Ayan, Rado. May Rolex na ako, guys. Ayan, Gusto niya yun, O kaya this one, ruby.
Yeah.
This one. Oh, you want this? This one, discount. The same. The big one is the one is.
Before price 2,000, after discount 1,005.
Same like that. Same.
Same.
Small.
Yeah, small thing.
This one bigger.
I don't know. I think same this one.
Same size.
Size.
This
I
one.
think so.
This same size.
Same size, all same size.
Yeah,
Color
same
only different.
size.
The stone color different.
This one is a ruby.
So ruby.
Yeah,
Oh,
all the
ruby.
thing. The one got diamond and the top one is the like ruby one. Charan. Want me to try?
So there's the last price, 1,005. No more discount.
If you choose, maybe I check with my manager.
How is it?
I'm not sure is how much can get or not.
Okay, check.
Just for $10, $15 like that.
Can I? That's so good.
I don't even wear your Rolex.
So mean are you?
This one 21, no. 21,000.
How?
So,
Oh, not at the
Then no need
moment.
to worry about discount now, just buy.
no.
Too expensive watch already you wear it. This is for just peanut money now. Try.
I want to try. I want to try it. Can.
Okay.
Small or not?
No, is it for you okay? It has a lady. This one only.
I don't know.
Ruby, same already got ruby.
This nicer.
Ruby.
Is it?
Okay lah.
Not enough gold, you can cry also. That is too expensive, na. See, this is blue.
But
This
this
design.
one is, what's the this one? It's higher price, right?
Bit higher, na? Not much, na.
Yeah. I think it's this one.
Try. Try, I come back.
It's okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Yeah. This one I think better.
Okay. Okay.
This one is better.
Yeah, this one better.
This
This one better. This one better. Yeah.
Magkabudol na naman tayo dito, guys. Ang price na rin.
Okay, take this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I go for this.
Okay. Madam, we finalize already. Thank you. She want to buy. She want to buy all. no. Joke.
Because I got small one already. This one 22 yun. This is 2.
Sama je price. Normal price.
2.
2,000.
Naman lang. Do you got new one or this is the new one already?
I think I believe.
Ito yung pili ko, guys. Yung ruby. Ito, daya mo. Ito, okay
Sorry,
na.
madam. I think she chose.
This one, huh?
Yes,
This
madam.
one can sell. Okay. This one both can wear, na? 2 in 1. Better. Good idea. Best idea. Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Welcome.
Okay, you go and pay
So,
first.
I
I
go
wait
first,
here.
They accept next time.
Can.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nakabudol tayo, guys. Ayun.
Yes!
Yes!
Okay, just no need to
Pabasit na lang.
No need to adjust.
Pabasit na lang.
No need to adjust.
Di adjust.
Ba? The size pa na lang. 8 times 6.
Yes. Your size, right?
This one is for?
Diba? Ito yung atin o yung Rolex na atin.
So this is the balance piece.
Okay.
I'm sticking na ba? It's a guarantee card.
அவர் ஒளி வச்சிருக்க அந்த ஆளு அதுவும் வந்து
Okay. அந்த இது guarantee card வைக்கிற கவரை கேளுங்க.
ஆன்லைன் ரெஜிஸ்டர்
Oh, the Rado lang. Rado shop. O, diba? Nabili rin kita. Ay, nako. Puperahin na lang sana kita.
That's what I'm searching for the cover. Guarantee card cover.
Okay. Yung 2,000 magkano lang sa Pilipinas, guys? Yes.
Just put inside.
Okay, okay.
Already we registered.
All registered.
Yeah, I just now I sent to our team members.
Okay, thank
They will
you.
register.
This one international, right?
International warranty worldwide. 5 years. I just put it like that because of smaller size ready na.
Okay.
Okay na.
Okay.
Okay right?
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Kabudol na naman ako, guys. Ayan. You want to see gold also?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
People.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, we always buy here. Thank you. Okay, budol man. Alright. Sa'yo, wag tayo mapapadpad dito. Kay delikado ako makabili. Mag-turn, teka na to. Nakababain mo. Kaya nakabili na naman ako ng watch. Napaso, bumanat 100,000 na na, guys. $2,000. $2,000, magkano yun? Almost 100. Almost 100,000 sa Pilipinas. Pinera mo na lang sana. Pinera na lang sana nga, ni. Yeah. Sana. Strap ng watch, mura lang dito eh. I think orange. What's the orangey one? Plastic naman. O kaya this one, oh. This one, oh. Goldie. How much this one? Oh, 16. Wag mo na. Naka 2,000 ako. Naka 2,000 nga nasa Rokakon, guys. Tsaka na muna. Let's go. Come, let's go.